To change your phone number on DoorDash, start by opening the app and tapping your profile icon in the top right corner. From your profile menu, tap on Account Settings, then select Login and Security to access your phone number settings. In the Login and Security section, you'll see your current phone number. Tap on this field to edit it and enter your new phone number. DoorDash will send an SMS verification code to your new phone number. Check your messages and enter the 6-digit code to confirm the change. For added security, DoorDash now requires two-factor authentication when changing your phone number. This extra step helps prevent unauthorized access to your account. To successfully change your phone number, ensure you have a valid mobile number that can receive SMS messages, a stable internet connection, and access to both your old and new phone numbers during the process. When you change your phone number on DoorDash, it affects several important functions of your account. Understanding these impacts and following security best practices will help protect your account and ensure smooth service. Your phone number serves multiple critical functions in DoorDash. It handles account authentication for logging in, sends order notifications and delivery updates, enables driver communication during delivery, and provides account recovery options. Security is paramount when changing your phone number. Never share your verification code with anyone. This is your private security key. After making the change, immediately log out of all devices and monitor your account activity closely for 24 to 48 hours. DoorDash has implemented enhanced security measures, including multi-factor authentication and improved fraud detection. Be prepared for multi-step verification processes that may require additional confirmation steps beyond just entering your new phone number. If you encounter verification code issues, first ensure your phone can receive SMS messages and double-check that you entered the correct number. For best results, change your phone number during off-peak hours to avoid delays. If you're switching phone carriers, change your DoorDash number immediately to prevent service interruptions. Remember, your phone number is a critical security component of your DoorDash account. Following these security practices and timing recommendations will help ensure a smooth transition and keep your account protected.